How to travel with pets on Rex Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you will learn how you can travel with pets on Rex Airlines. And how do you do that? First step is to open your web browser, open a new tab, and then in the search box, type out Rex Airline Pet Travel Policy. You have to visit the Pet Airlines travel policy page. Then you click on that. Then by doing that, you'll see the options for you to select the policy based on domestic flights, international flights, COVID or carry-on requests. So select the one that you are looking for. If it's for international flights, click on international, and then answers would be channeled along that line. So you can now see the one for Express Airlines. Scroll down until you can see the one for Rex Airlines. So you can see Rex Pet Travel here. Okay, so let's scroll up. You can also see answers from the AI, so you can also check this out. All right, you can see the pet policy for Rex Airlines displayed here. So read through this, ensure that your pet falls into any of this category, and then you are good to go. Well, if perhaps your pet doesn't fall into any of the category, you can make special requirements request by contacting the customer support. All right, how do you contact the customer support? Log in into your Rex Airlines, go to the top part of the screen, click on Help Center, and then make use of the contact us option here in order to reach out to the customer support. Let them know about your pet, let them know the policy you've read, and then let them know how a special request that you'd like to make on your pet's behalf, and you are good to go. But one thing you must note is that your pets would be able to travel as checked bag or cargo. All right, so ensure that your pet is under 30 kg in order to fall into this category. Okay, and sometimes pets are charged at a minimum rate of $5.50 per kilogram, including the weight of the pet bag. So also take note of that. So you must note that Rex does not support some kinds of pets, which include restricted breeds like snub-nosed or snub-nosed dogs, all right, or breeds like bulldogs, pugs, Boston Terriers, and all of that. So ensure you think of all of this before you consider bringing your pets on board. Thank you for watching and have a good day.